Guys, I buy my gift here. What's name of the shop, my friend? Huh?
Al Jazeera.
Al Jazeera, here in Hamdan. Say hi, my friend.
Hello.
Oh, when he forget me, guys, I will show this video to him.
Yeah.
Because next month I want to plan again a gift. He give me discount only 10 dirham. 10 dirham talaga. Oh, 100 dirham, are you sure?
Yes.
100 dirham daw he give me discount for these earrings, right, my friend? It's too much costly now, guys. What's this? The per gram. How much per gram, my friend? 300?
375.
375. So all this shop is 375.
Here more cheaper.
Oh.
I give cheaper.
Oh, he give me big discount, guys. Oh, diba? Thank you, my friend.
Okay.
Yeah, I will come back here next month. Yeah. Ito yung nabili kong earrings na gold. Yeah. So, this is a gift for Kitty Pie. Early Christmas gift. Thank you, Kitty Pie. Kitty Pie, thank you. Sige, this is the one. Yeah. Oh, diba? Ano to, guys? Is 3.5 grams, right, Kitty Pie? 3.33. Ay, 3.33 grams. So, guys, actually, mayroon akong gusto doon na magandang design katulad nito. Kaso, grabe din ang mahal. Kasi, guys, iba talaga ang price ngayon sa gold. Unlike before. Before, ano lang ang price? 245, right, Kitty Pie? Yeah, before only 245 per gram. Now, it's increased more than 100 dirham per gram. Sana magliles pa to. Actually, guys, umabot to ng 540 per gram last month. Yeah. Kaya hindi ako bumili. Ngayon na lang. See? Ang ganda kasi ng design niya eh. Actually, lahat ng gusto kong collection doon, guys, sa shop nila. Nandun lahat. Pati sa necklace, sa ring, everything. Diyos ko. Kaya nahihilo ako. Pero gusto ko talaga yung earrings ngayon ang bibilhin it. Ring, yeah, earrings, see? Ang ganda. It's nice, Kitty Pie. See? But Tricia don't like this. Like this design. Yeah. Actually, I have also like this, guys. Regalo din ni Kitty Pie sa akin last 3 years ago. It's an infinity design. Kaso maliit siya. Maliit siya ganito. Binili din niya to sa Ramadan. Alam nyo ba kung magkano pa yung per gram noon, guys? Is only 185 per gram. So ngayon, nagiging 300 plus na per gram. Diyos ko, grabe ang mahal talaga. Yeah, 300